How to invert a camera on an Omegle iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invert a camera on an Omegle iPhone. First, go to your browser and search for Omegle. Click to open its official website. Here you need to click on Video. Agree to all these terms and conditions to continue. After that, tap on Confirm and Continue. Then tap on Allow. You can see a camera icon on your bottom left. Tap to open it and then select the option of Website Settings. On scrolling down, you can see the option of Camera. Tap to open it. Here you can see different options to allow access to the camera. Switch it from Allow to Ask. After that, tap on Done on your top right. This is how your camera is inverted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.